Hello everyone. My name is Bogdan Lazar. I'm a product manager at Technoform Italy. As a family company, we firmly believe that the best ideas are always born together. We developed leading solutions collaboratively by understanding customer and market needs. A fast-paced industry landscape demands new ideas, solutions every day. So markets emerge, businesses transform, processes change. Energy saving becomes a global priority, with new regulations being progressively introduced worldwide. So at this point, I would like to introduce a new spacer solution for insulating glass. It is a spacer which is especially directed to emerging markets. These markets constantly demand the improvement of the energy efficiency of the system in line with the needs of continuous building modernization and new design requirements of architects. However, these markets are still mainly using traditional aluminum spacers. So in lieu of this, we want to support the transitions from aluminum spacers with outdated thermal values to thermally optimized edge-bond solutions with warm edge spacers. This new Technoform solution has been studied starting from the analysis of specific market requirements and according to the customer's production facilities, thermally improved, durable, and flexible in shapes. It allows our customers to take a step further to the next level of IGU's performance, reaching new levels of energy efficiency and becoming more and more competitive in their markets. So to be precise, we choose a different inox steel grade able to assure the barrier and at the same time gaining ductability for shapes, ensuring a great thermal performance guaranteed by Technoform hybrid warm edge spacers. The advantages of these solutions are highest accuracy for smaller glass pane sizes, a seamless integration in existing processes and cutting systems. Once cut and inserted between the panes, the spacer will ensure a strong improvement in IGU's energy, efficiency, and durability. Moreover, it is flexible enough to be used in curved insulating glass. Technoform quality is certified DIN EN 1279234 BF datasheet Passive House. To sum up, this Technoform solution allows our customers to reach a new level in energy efficiency and to get more competitive in their markets.